Hi everyone, welcome to today's trade of the day, and for today's trade of the day we will be looking at the Aussie dollar. Right, so what I have here is Aussie dollar on the weekly, and very quickly I just want to show you guys that in close, okay, we have actually formed a double top pattern, broke out of the double top neckline, retested, and price looks to be going lower. Recently as well, price has also retested a graphical overlap resistance in close, so we're just going to put our resistance over there. So if anything, we can be sure that price should at least push slightly lower, at least to a long-term target, at the last swing low right here. Okay, so I'm going to use green color for support. Very quickly, let's go down to the 4 hours. Okay, on the 4 hours, I also want to just show you guys the market structure in this area. We see that while price has been pushing up, we have broken below the trend line, the previous ascending trend line support. So it's an ascending trend line support turn resistance. Okay, so just remember that this is a long-term resistance. So I'm just going to tidy this up over here, connect it to this level here. Long-term support over here. Let's go down to the 1 hour. Now on the 1 hour, I just want to focus really on this area, knowing that we've broken below the trend line support. Okay, so now we're just going to focus on this structure right here. And we see that price is actually making lower highs and lower lows. So we can expect price to actually make a lower high before finally pushing down to make a lower low. Connecting all these highs together, all these lower highs together with descending trend line resistance, right? We see something like that. We can use Fibonacci retracement of the last movement high to low, open all Fibonacci retracement levels, and we see that there is actually a graphical resistance, swing high resistance, in line with the descending trend line resistance at 50%. This can very well be our Fibonacci retracement 50% and our sell entry. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and highlight this 50% level. And what I want to show you guys also is the negative 27.20 and negative 61.8. Right, so there are two possible levels. There are two possible levels for take profit, for intraday take profit. One at the negative 27.20 and another one at the negative 61.8. Now the negative 61.8, if you look to the left, it really is in line with the graphical swing low back at the end of August 2021. Right, so it's a very nice drop from our sell entry to our take profit for intraday trade. Last but not least, we can put our stop loss just above market structure over here, is above the descending trend line resistance. So if we get stopped out, we know that our initial bearish bias is wrong. Okay, so this is the idea that we have. This is the intraday trade of the day that we have for Aussie dollar. Wish you guys all the best. Trade safe, stay safe. I'll catch you guys again. Thank you.